feel it's getting uglier before it's getting better?
Well, it's definitely not getting better. But no, it's I agree with you that it needs to be easily accessible because
It's a lot of heavy.
how heavy is one of those blocks?
I'm sure one block isn't too bad, but obviously once you've moved 600 of them.
Yeah, no. No, but it makes complete sense to have them close by.
Monsieur is excited. Someone should be having their siesta, but that is not what's happening.
Yeah.
He's trying to start off the lawnmower. It's feeling good, feeling average, feeling a bit like about this project.
No, I think the tearing down bit was the worst, definitely, because that's when you don't know what's going to go wrong, I feel, at least. When you build something up, it feels less likely that it's going to all come crumbling down. I think there were, obviously two moments in this project so far, which has been quite scary. And that's when Darren said that he was really worried about the wall.
Yeah.
That was not a good moment. And then, obviously, when the ceiling, part of the ceiling came down yesterday. That wasn't great.
New day, new challenges. But yeah, today is start of building the wall for the terrace outside. We can't do that unless we have our amazing Brian, who's currently working out the maths. Morning, sir.
All right, next.
Let's go and look at these lines. Is it worth getting the drone up again just to double check the... Are you happy that's square? Is that...
Square that line yet.
You haven't squared it? Okay. Cool. So this line might move a little bit. Okay.
I'll pick it into it here.
Yeah. Okay.
As I say, the Chateau sitting that way, that wall's coming that way. So it's not going to be parallel with that wall.
No. We know that. It's just whether or not we've gone too far this way and if we need to come a little bit back that way. It's going to be close. There's not much in it.
That's point here. It's probably 50, 60 mile difference to this way.
It's not too bad.
As I say, we'll have to keep it front of the terrace. If it's 4 metres and 60 to 4 metres and 10, that's the thing we can do it.
No, that's cool. Yeah. We'll just have to adjust as we go.
That's probably the straightest bit of wall here.
Yeah. The irony is that's the oldest part and the straightest part. Yeah, no. The worst part is the newest part, which is this one, which kind of almost curves, but then the road curves as well, right? So I guess that's probably why they ended up doing that.
It's the same, unless somebody's up there where it's own looking doing, you're not going to see if it's, I mean, there's nothing.
No, that's true.
I kept our photos, I just hid them away. So when I'm over you, I'll look and say, don't be sad that it's over, just be happy that you got to hold somebody's heart, even if it wasn't for very long.
In fairness, I have been doing this for Brian most of the day.
As the structure came together at pace, it became pretty obvious that I'd forgotten to order a lintel. Thankfully, our new materials supplier pulled it out the bag and got it to me the same day.
C'est le top, le service là. Je vais arrêter de faire ça, hein, je te promets. T'es trop gentil, ça va?
Et toi?
Allez. Vous faites la bise?
Oui, je fais la bise, moi.
Très bien.
J'ai
pas l'habitude.
Les gens que j'aime.
Yeah, feels a bit odd. It's the final bit of DIY this week. Just need to get, I say just. I have to see how we do this. Nicole's coming to help me in a second. We need to get the lintel, terracotta lintel up. But actually, that seems doable. I think we'll move it onto here and then up. What I was noticing though is that this thing's not quite straight. I think we're going to get it up first. And then I might just need to shave a little bit off this side before we put some more cement down. It's incredible like how much we've done this week. Some stuff that went wrong, others not so much. It's been well, but yeah, I think let's just see how we got on with this bit. Okay, so the idea is to get it on here just to start with, to have a look, and then I think we should be able to put it on here whilst I then just get the muck on and stuff. And I can probably do it by myself after that.
Okay.
It's just a matter of getting it up here. So I think the first job is for us to lift it and to position it on here. Here, and then we can just scoot it along. If you hold it there, I'll then bring this round to get to here. And then we can lift up the last bit to here.
Okay.
Yeah? Sound okay? Sound feasible?
So which one am I taking? Which side?
Yeah, if you take this side to put it onto here,
Okay.
we need to flip it over at one point because it needs to be a U, not a N. Like this.
Okay.
So let's just get it up onto that thing like this. Super hot.
Yeah.
I'm going to take my jumper off. Okay, do you want me to lift it up on there?
Yeah.
Okay. That makes more sense. Okay, you'll just have to put some weight on it whilst I bring it over.
Okay, wait. So
Just keep it down for now.
About the plan. Let's
Yeah, so I'm going to drag it out.
Okay.
So I don't want it to tilt too far down while we're doing that.
Okay.
And once I'm in the right position, we can both lift it.
Yeah.
Okay, so lifting any time from now is good.
Okay, just I have nothing to grip from.
Now?
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. How are you on your side? Is there room?
Too tight.
Now?
No. Wait.
Still no?
No. There's like a centimeter here that
Centimetre?
need to come off. Off.
Just keep it there if that's the issue. Where is it? I'll come over.
It's a tiny.
Yeah, but mine's on, so I can just come over. Are you okay there?
Yeah.
You got the hammer still?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, just take it off. It's gone. It's gone. Just take it. Okay, and then...
Surprise.
It's going to go anyway. Yeah.
Such a beautiful day. Spring day here in Bergerac. We're gonna go on a little picnic. Gonna try to find somewhere nice along the river. We have all our picnic paraphernalia. We just need some baked goods, don't we, Nick?
Well, need being an option, I think want is what we...
Yeah, but is there want is more important? Isn't it, Noah? I love this part of Bergerac. It's so pretty here by the water. Yeah, it's a boat.
Nicole has been dreaming of going on a picnic by the river since we moved to France, and I've been really rubbish and not really got my act together. So with the weather turning so beautifully warm, we felt we had little choice but to go and find a picnic spot.
I would wait a million lonely hours, trying to win your heart, trying to get to where you are. And I would live a million lonely lifetimes if I knew I could get back to you. Yeah, I just wanna get back to you.
We've got a little bit more work to do on the wall on this side. As you can see, it's 4 rows short. Brian's not back for another couple of days, so I'm thinking I might take it upon myself to kind of get that moving. We also need to lay all of those smaller parpaings on their sides on top of here, which is essentially to bring us up to the right level for the finished floor height, which is that line. Well, actually, no, that's the cement line. But we then got on top of these, we need to put those blocks. Then we've obviously got the beams, and of course another, I think the beams are 15, and then another 4 centimeters or 5 centimeters above that. Essentially, we're going another 19 centimeters or 190 mil over those blocks that we're going to put sideways onto this wall. So yeah, I figured if we can get a head start, that might help Brian get a few other things sorted. I was thinking maybe just pierce a bit of a hole in here, because I think it would be quite good to get this floor poured at the same time as we pour the terrace up here, which all feels a bit strange. But yeah, really cool though, really cool. Yeah, and looking forward to be able to actually step back in to our front entrance, although that's going to be a little while because we still want to make the steps.
There's a push and there's a pull. There's a new moon and then it's full. The tide will rise and rise until it falls. And there's a rhythm to it all. There's a you and there's a me. There's a pattern in the chaos, a current in the sea. And there are times I wish I had a mountain top to see the rhythm of it all.
And because the weather was so glorious, Nicole managed to entice me out for a second picnic for a second day in a row, this time amongst the vines near the chateau.
Are you stealing Noah's food again?
I'm just checking the quality. The cooking. Oh. Oh, careful.
I never knew it could be so easy. I never thought it could be so true. But every time I close my eyes, I feel a peace in me arise. I never knew love could be so healing. I never thought I could learn to feel.
Regarde là-bas. Est-ce que tu nous vois? C'est difficile à dire, la vie sans toi. Est-ce que tu y crois? Je ne sais pas écrire s'il manque de toi. Un coin tranquille, peut-être une île, vie indocile. La nuit défile dans mon exil, un coin tranquille. Tu veux savoir s'il va pleuvoir? C'est pas toujours facile quand il fait noir.
I would wait a million lonely hours, trying to win your heart, trying to get to where you are. And I would live a million lonely lifetimes if I knew I could get back to you. Yeah, I just wanna get back to you. May take some time. I don't wanna find no one but you in my arms. If it's a test, I'm doing my best. But if